Hi children, today we are going to discuss about the chapter food and its variety. So in order to understand your first chapter in science, you must have the idea related to the meaning of a food and also food varieties. If you know about these things in detail, you can understand the sources of food in a better manner and also the quality which is present in the food materials, which is very much needed to enhance our body capacity or health, and which is very much needed for our well-beings. See, let us see one by one what is food. Before going to study about any other thing, let us discuss the meaning of food. What is food? Food is the basic necessity of every organisms. And also we can say food is a substance that we consume in order to derive energy to run our body and to get nutrition to grow. This is the definition that we are observed, that we are learned by our daily activities. Next, we can, after knowing that meaning of a food, so we come to know that why it is so needful for us. Or the question which rises in our mind, why do we need food? Yes, already you have discussed, I think, while talking with your parents, when you are when you are not taking the foods, they will tell that why you have to have the food. Without food, what will happen? That type of reasons they will give. But let us discuss in a scientific way. Why do we need food? Yes, all living organisms must need food because for to survive, to nourish our body system, and the food aids many biological processes inside the body. Biological process, it includes digestion, respiration, excretion, like that. And also it is very important to have food. It is more important to have healthy food. Healthy food, what is healthy food? Healthy food is one, we will discuss later. Let us see what is the need of the food. Yes, we need food to grow also. That means, why do we need food? To survive, to grow, to nourish our body system, and to carry out the biological process inside the body, and also to keep our body healthy and well. So let us see the definition which is related to healthy food. See, already we told that we have to take food. Then what kind of food we have to take? Or what kind of food we have to eat? Yeah, healthy food we have to eat. Then what is healthy food? Healthy food is one which provides a well balanced diet to us, and the food which gives us complete nutrition is called healthy food. Or the food which consists of food varieties that have maximum nutrients which are essential for our body are called as healthy food materials. And also we can define the food which intends to provide the right quantity of every nutrient which is required by the body. So if these things present in a food, then that food is considered as a healthy food. So let us recall that which food is going to be considered as a healthy food? The food which provides well balanced diet, which gives complete nutrition to our body, and which consists of food varieties that have maximum nutrients which are essential for our body, and the food which intends to provide the right quantity of every nutrient which is required by the body. So that type of food we call it as a healthy food. Okay, after knowing about the identification of a healthy food and what we have to eat in order to keep our body in a good manner, so already we have learned Then, after knowing these healthy food or food materials, so we are going to notice so many kinds of food materials in a hotels, in our home, or in a some in any street foods like that. Now, let us discuss after knowing the definition of healthy food, which are the varieties that we are going to find in food and why we find the variety in food. This is the question that comes to our mind. Yes, variety of food is present in our daily activities because due to the availability of a food source and the climate condition of the region greatly influence the food varieties in the region, and also it depends on the individual food preference. That means we are seeing variety in food because due to the different food sources and the climatic condition of the different region and the individual food preference. Let us discuss in one by one. What do you mean by individual food preference, or what this individual food preference refers to? It related to or depends on these factors. Yes, let us know about those factors on which the variety of food is depends. Or let us learn the factor about the factors which influences which makes to see the variety in the food. See, let us see one by one. Yes, different variety of food we are seeing in our daily life because it depends on the person to person. That means if a person is educated and very skillful in his lifestyle, then also his food, the variety of food what he is eating is also going to be a differs. And also sometimes some peoples they like very sweet items, some peoples they like spicy items, some peoples like sour items. So that means depending on biological determinants like taste, appetite, and preference, also the food varieties we are seeing in our food. And also it depends on economical status of the person. Means it depends on how rich they are and what kind of food they are able to collect or purchase. That means economical determinants like availability of a particular food and its cost. So, based on these three factors, physical determinants, biological determinants, and economical determinants, we are observing lot of variety of food and different kinds of food also. Let us discuss why this variety of food is very important for us. Is there need of is there any need of this variety in the food? Yes, let us see one by one. Why do we need variety in food? Variety in food is important because food variety ensures all round nutrition, and they offer all sorts of nutrients required by the body. It also brings newness to everyday food. So, and also we can say that a single food item does not offer all sorts of nutrition required by the body. Our body needs vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, etc. Due to this reason, we require variety in food materials. So that's why variety in food is very important in order to have the healthy lifestyle. Yes, so these are all the things that we come to know about by this video. What is food and why do we need food and what is the need of food and why variety in the food is very essential. Thank you. In next class we will going to discuss about sources of food. Keep watching the videos in Guru Renuka Sudha A R channel and subscribe to my